In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful for all, who is the master of day and night. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. According to International Press Institute, a total of dash journalists were killed in the year 2021. 45. Which country won the Under-19 Asia Cup 2021? India. First case of florona detected in which country? Israel. Abdallah Hamdok, who announced his resignation recently, was the Prime Minister of which country? Sweden. What is the name of the software application that used pictures of hundreds of Muslim women for social media without permission and was listed for auction recently? Bilibili. Who is the current Secretary General of Gulf Cooperation Council? Nafil Falah Mubarak Al Hajroff. The new COVID variant named IHU has been discovered in which country? France. When is the World Braille Day observed every year? January 4. Recently, which country grants first ever official coat of arms featuring Masjid-e-Nabawi? UK. The area of the Horanag Fort is disputed by India and China and is under the control of which country? China. What is the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Free Trade Agreement? The Taliban government approved their first budget of dash billion Afghanis, 53.9 billion. Which country ranks top in the Henley Passport Index 2022? Japan and Singapore. Which country is the worst passport in the world according to Henley Passport Index 2022? Afghanistan. Who becomes the first African American woman to appear on USA coin? Maya Angelou. The Sea Dragon 22, the first military trilateral anti-submarine exercise organized by which country? United States. Daniel Ortega sworn in as which country's president for his fourth consecutive term? Nicaragua. The new COVID strain named Deltacron was identified originally in which country? Cyprus. Which European Parliament President died on January 11, 2022? David Sassoli. Which tennis player won the Melbourne Somerset ATP 250 event title? Rafael Nadal. Which country won their first ATP Cup final on January 9, 2022? Canada. Who will replace Mohamed Sansi Barkindo, a Nigerian representative, when his second term as OPEC Secretary General ends July 2022? Hitham Al-Ghali. Which country launched the Simorgh satellite carrier rocket with research device? Iran. Who is the current SCO Secretary General? Zhang Ming, who is the current president of the European Parliament. Roberta Metsola. Recently, Indonesia replacing its capital Jakarta. What is the new capital city of the country? Nusantara. Which country hosting the AFC Women's Football Asia Cup 2022? India. The British Belgian teenager became the youngest woman to fly solo around the world, named Zara Thoriford, who won the FA Best Man Player Award 2021. Robert Lewandowski. Which country has built an artificial moon project? China. Which country has successfully flight tested of the hypersonic anti-ballistic missile Arrow 3? Israel. Who claims the responsibility of attack near Abu Dhabi's main airport? Yemeni Houthis. Who is the India most successful test captain? Virat Kohli. The Infinity Bridge, recently opened for public traffic, is built in which country? UAE. Which Central Asia country's government resigned recently after massive protests due to fuel price increase? Kazakhstan. Which country will host the Asia Game 2022? China. The first ever World Deaf T20 Cricket Championship 2023 will be held in which country? India. Which is the headquarters of Collective Security Trade Organization? Mexico. Which city has the longest metro rail network in the world? Shanghai. Which country hospital won RIBA Prize 2021? Bangladesh. Who lead Taliban in the 3 days of takes in Osla's Taliban's first official trip in Europe? Amir Khan Muttaqi. A British minister on January 2022 says she lost her ministerial role because of her Muslimness, named Nusrat Ghani. According to ILO report, global unemployment will reach 2-million in 2022. 207 million. Who is the current president of Armenia? Elin Simonian. Who is the current prime minister of Barbados? Mia Moore Motley. A coup was launched in Burkina Faso on 23 January 2022. Who is the current president of Burkina Faso? Lisna Zirbo. Which intergovernmental Alliance is holding a maritime exercise named Neptune Strike 2022 in the Mediterranean Sea. NATO. Holocaust Day observed every year on 27 January. Recently, which country developed body cameras with facial recognition for soldiers? Israel.